Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about money. Yes, money. I'm a tech guy, but as a creator, I think it's only fair that I also share with you some of the things that help me build and maintain financial freedom. Everyone, well, at least that I know and have interacted with, likes money. I haven't yet come across anyone who puts their hands up and says, oh, I don't like money at all. Look, truth is money can do a whole lot for you if you have plenty of it. And having it just takes off the main source of head-scattering worry that a lot of us adults go through. But what if you don't have enough money like you need, or you're constantly thinking of it? How can you grow the little money you have, take that money and then invest it so it becomes substantial over time and you do not have to worry about your future or at least present challenges? Well, in this video, I'll be highlighting 3 practices that have worked for me at least, and that I think will be helpful to you in managing your funds and hopefully build a secure financial future. But before we begin, disclaimer here, this video is in no way professional financial advice, but it's solely intended to show you what I do and what has worked for me and how you could apply it to your investment practices. You should also know that investing involves a level of risk, and I do not recommend investing without prior expertise in what you want to invest in or having a professional guide beside you. That being said, let's begin. Number 1 on my list is I diversify my income stream. The first task for anyone who wants to become financially independent is to diversify or have multiple income streams. The world is tough enough, and as it is, having just one stream of income in a salaried world is like being 1 month away from penury. Except your salary is like, Dangote's own. But for most of us who earn a moderate pay, you and I know it's never enough. So you need to dig into your inner self to find out what else you can do to earn extra cash and in turn increase your saving ability. Most times, this extra side hustle, or PP as commonly known, may be based on a skill or talent that you have. For instance, in my case for side hustles, I build apps, I also do YouTube, I also provide professional services in the creative corporate world. And if all of these fails, I also have the skill of playing classical or contemporary music on the piano. I also have great UI UX design skill set and a wealth of knowledge in just about any matter. So it'll be laziness on my part if I can't use all the many skills I have to create some sort of extra income for myself. And even if all these skills fail me, there are skill classes I can take to improve myself and then get to earning something with those newly acquired skills. Now, once you have 2 and above income streams, you need to create a structured savings and investment and spending plan to help you know exactly where your money is being used. This creates structure and some sort of mental commitment to the plan. Now, when you've gathered some savings, only then can you think of what to invest in and how to invest your money. Easiest way to start building wealth is to save or invest in products or instruments that give you some return while keeping your capital safe. And there are many products out there that offer this service. For instance, treasury bills, fixed income, or deposit products, and just about any savings account. Although I wouldn't recommend using a commercial bank's savings account. They offer you almost nothing. There are many regulated financial houses right now that offer better interest rates than commercial banks will ever offer, and they're regulated, so your money has some measure of safety. I say some measure of safety because Murphy's Law can happen to absolutely anything and any situation in this world. And for those of you who do not know what Murphy's Law is, it's a supposed law of nature that proposes that anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So keep that in mind. Okay, so products like FIs, treasury bills, and etc., they guarantee your money's safety while giving you an interest payment over time. Some of these products support rollovers so that when you earn an interest, you can add it to your capital, and then your next interest earned on your investment is earned on the total of your capital plus the last interest earned. Do this over a couple of years while still adding savings to this investment account, and you can see how it compounds over time. When you've been able to build a good amount from your initial investment, then you can start thinking of diversifying your investment, because at this point you should be comfortable enough to take more risk and not have a heartache from losing some money. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to click the like button just below. Now to my third and final point: diversify your investment channels. Look, savings plans are cool, they're safe, but they are not as rewarding as some other investment opportunities that we have out there. In this section, I'll be showing you one of the platforms that I use in conjunction with a few others to invest, and how you can use the platform, in this case the OctaFX trading app, to manage your Forex investment if you're into it. And by the way, this video is sponsored by OctaFX. First of all, OctaFX is a global trading platform that allows users from all over the world to find the best trading conditions in the Forex market and basically buy into those markets. So this in turn lets you earn in foreign currency, of which when you exchange to your local currency equivalent, you can see how rewarding it might be. So on the OctaFX app, you have your actual account and also a demo trading account that's credited with $5,000 that allows you test and practice how to trade. To do this, open up the OctaFX app and head to the demo section. You should create a demo trading account when signing up. At this time, I recommend you watch some of OctaFX's free Forex course on their YouTube channel. I've left links for you guys in the video description below. It's a basic and simple course that should help you kickstart your Forex trading career, if you want to call it that. Also check out webinars, market news to make wise decisions. When you're pretty confident of what you've learned in the training class, then you can start in the real account by investing or trading with a minimum amount of $40. But it's recommended that you go as high as $100 so you have more opportunities while trading. Before you can start trading, you need to fund your OctaFX trading account. Simply head into the app and click on the deposit icon on your real trading account dashboard. Select your payment method, enter your payment detail, fill the required field, and make a deposit. With this done, you can start trading. Withdrawals are also very easy and very fast to get. Head into your OctaFX trading app, hit the caret to the right of each Forex market you're in, select withdrawal, select your preferred payment method, enter your information, and you're good to go. Look, I have to state here again that trading Forex is volatile and you absolutely need to know what you're doing before jumping in. I will advise you get a professional in this subject matter that can guide you through the terrain so you do not lose your money. Look, OctaFX can be a great business partner for you along the way, who will support you and provide you with the materials that you need to get going, so you have an opportunity to increase your income and become a professional trader. But again, get a professional to guide you through the process. Look, in conclusion, I'd like to thank OctaFX for sponsoring this video and say that while the 3 points I touched on work for me, it may not work perfectly for you, and you may need to determine what works best for you. Create patterns and habits that help you grow your income, which in turn can help you invest in more diverse products. As they say, do not place all your eggs in a basket. You can head over to the video description where you'd find a link to download the OctaFX trading app and useful course materials from OctaFX, which will help you understand how the market works and cover the basic and important terms that you do not understand. Do not forget again to seek a professional advisor that can give you decent financial advice and also help guide you through the investment waters. Guys, if you like this video, spray the like button some cash and just to let him know how much you care, and also ask your friends to spray the like button as well. Also consider subscribing to my channel so when I post a new video like this one, you get notified of it. And if you want me to make more videos like this one, leave a like and a comment. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.